Hare Krishna, I'm Snita Sunil with you in 2-minute Mahabharata stories. Let us chant chapter 15, verse 13 of Bhagavad Gita. Gamaveshya cha bhutani dharayamyaham Pusnami chausadhi sarvaha Somo bhutva rasatmakaha. Sri Krishna says, entering the earth, I support all living beings with my energy, and becoming the moon, I nourish all the plants with the juice of life. Sri Krishna explains how he sustains the world. That is, I enter and hold up all living beings with my strength, that is, gravity, stability, everything that keeps us grounded, that is, my energy on earth. Becoming the moon, I nourish all plants. The moon's cool rays and its effect on water sap and grow the life giving juices in grains, fruits, vegetables all come from me, he tells. The moral is nothing grows, nothing lives, nothing is supported without him. The whole cycle of food, life, energy runs by his power. Let us see a small story. There was a farmer in a village near Mysore. One day he got 2 seeds from a sadhu. The sadhu said, one seed will give you food, the other will give you shade. Plant them both. The farmer planted the food seed right away in his best field. He watered it, guarded it, prayed for it every day. But he tossed the shade seed near the edge of his land and forgot it. Who needs shade when I am hungry, he thought. Months passed. The food plant grew fast. Big grains. The farmer was so happy. The other seed it sprouted slowly, no one noticed it. Then came a brutal summer, 42 degrees centigrade heat. The crop started dying. The farmer would work in the field from sunrise, and by noon he had to stop. The sun was too much. He sat under a small tree at the edge of his land to rest. The same place he would toss the second seed. That useless seed had now become a big banyan sapling. It gave cool shade. Under it he drank water at his foot and survived the heat wave. Because of that shade, he had the strength to come back the next day and save the rest of his crop. That evening he understood the sadhu's words. The seed for food fed his body. The seed for shade saved his life. The moral is do not ignore what seems not useful right now. Kindness, rest, relationships, faith. They are the shade seeds. You may need them most when life gets hot. Thank you. Hope you are enjoying our stories. Good day to all of you. Let us see you tomorrow.
ಹರೇ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯ 15 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 13. ಗಾಮಾವಿಶ್ಯ ಚ ಭೂತಾನಿ ಧಾರಯಾಮ್ಯಹಮೋಜಸ ಪುಷ್ಣಾಮಿ ಚೌಷಧಿ ಸರ್ವಾಃ ಸೋಮೋ ಭೂತ್ವಾ ರಸಾತ್ಮಕಃ. ಈ ಶ್ಲೋಕದ ಭಾವಾರ್ಥ: ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊತ್ತವನು ಭಗವಂತ. ಇದು ಭಗವಂತನ ವರಾಹ ಅವತಾರವನ್ನು ವಿವರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಕೆಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಸಿದು ನಾಶವಾಗಲಿದ್ದ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಭಗವಂತ ವರಾಹ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಕತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಕೆಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಸಿಯುವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ತನ್ನ ಕಕ್ಷೆಯಿಂದ ಕಳಚುವುದು. ಭೂಮಿ ಕಕ್ಷೆಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಷಣಾರ್ಧದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಶವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ತಾಮಸಲೋಕದ ದೈತ್ಯ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಾಕ್ಷ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಕಕ್ಷೆಯಿಂದ ತಪ್ಪಿಸಿದವ. ನನಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಲು ಒಂದು ಜಾಗ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಕೋಲನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಾನು ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಕಕ್ಷೆಯಿಂದ ಕಳಚಬಲ್ಲೆ ಎಂದು ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಹೇಳಿರುವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ತಾಮಸಲೋಕದ ಈ ದೈತ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಕಕ್ಷೆಯಿಂದ ತಪ್ಪಿಸಿದಾಗ ಈ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಧಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಭಗವಂತ ವರಾಹ ರೂಪನಾಗಿ ಕಂಡ. ಈ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಧಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಭಗವಂತನ ರೂಪವನ್ನು ವರಾಹ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೇವೆ.